guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the journal junk box and the journal junk sack for November. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so November's journal junk box and journal junk sack just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the November box to know what the November theme is. I'm super excited to see their themes every single month. They stick to the themes, the whole entire thing, colors or style or design, and I really like seeing what's in these boxes. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. This is the journal junk box. If you do like this box but you don't want to spend the full price for the full box, that's when you can dabble into the mini, and the mini is completely different because if you got them both, you wouldn't have repeats. So let's go ahead and dive into this one, and then we'll open up the journal junk sack and see what's inside that one. So it always comes in this really nice box. Definitely looks like journaling, scrapbooking, that kind of thing. Super cute. So then when you open it up, there's the card right on top, and November's theme is the root of joy is gratefulness. How cute. And on the back of this, it will go over the products, and then there are the November prompts for the journal prompts, and they go by week. So week 1, what's a simple pleasure that you're grateful for? Week 2, what's something that you're grateful for today that you didn't have a year ago? That's a good one. Week 3, write about a happy memory. Week 4, what are 3 things you're grateful for today? So that would be your weekly journal prompts for the entire month. And again, it will go over the products and it will tell the pricing. Then it will give you this. It'll go over their social media. And then you have, hey, journal babe, with the sticker. And when we remove that, a sneak peek. Well, you don't get too much of a sneak peek, but there's a little something, something for you. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what that first thing is right on top. This looks very interesting. It says double chocolate cocoa mix. Ooh. So is that to make like 2 cups of cocoa? It would say it's double, or double just because it's double chocolate. Let's see. So it's just an individual cup. It says directions: add cocoa 1 ounce to 6 ounces of hot water or hot milk. Stir and enjoy until blended. It's cute that it gives you like a little tiny mixer though. So it would be a double chocolate cocoa mix, but it's for 1 cup. So you have this, and on the card for this one, it says Warm Winter Cocoa by Too Good Gourmet. It's valued for $7.70, but it's a free gift for you. It says free gift, enjoy. So there is that. Now we have is washi tape, and I really, really love this box. They don't just send you like one. I've had several boxes before where even they'll take like a piece of paper and they'll like probably open one of these and wrap it around so they can break that up, which is fine. But this company does not do that. They don't skim on that. They don't chintz on any of that. They'll send you a whole box full, and that's what I really, really love. So you're not just getting little sample things of them. You're getting a whole entire thing of it. And that's one thing, again, I do really, really like. There's 8 washi tapes in here, and this is what they look like. I'll open them up, but I will also show you on the side a better picture of them as we go. You know how I do. So we'll go with the biggest one on the bottom. It looks like a nice little floral print. You have this that's just like all pinkish. This one kind of has like a little grid to it, little squares. And these are really pretty fall colors too. These are really pretty for fall. Oops. This one has some gold, like kind of like a marble effect. That's really pretty too. Here are like some birds. This one here says thankful, truly blessed, just breathe in the moment, or something like that. It says something on it. There says a few different things. And then this one here is just like a little chevron kind of effect. So here are all of the different washi tape for the month. And again, they are really pretty. I like those colors. They're kind of like fall colors. Peaceful Heart Washi Tape Set of 8 by Jen Hadfield. It's valued for $10.99. And again, I love that it's a full package of them. So now we have, it says sketch markers, dual tip, alcohol markers, and there's 3 different ones. It says add shadow effects. This is dual tip sketch marker set of 3 by American Crafts, valued for $10.99. So let's see what they look like. This would have been like a pretty duo for like Valentine's Day. I'm just saying, this reminds me of Valentine's Day with these 3 colors. And then they're double-ended. You're gonna have this nice fat one here. And then on this end, it'll be a nice little skinny tip. And again, there's the light pink, a lighter pink that's called Porcelain. This pink is called Cosmos. And then you have a red, a rose red for this one right here. So there's the 3 different colors. Now we have, ooh, in this little orange bag, of course, festive for the holiday. And down inside of here, oh, it looks like a pair of pants, almost like jean material. That is really cute. I've never seen a pin like that before. And this says Jean Jacket Pin by Bruno Visconti. I believe that one goes around in this box, that brand. This is valued for $4.99. Let's see what color it writes. It writes in black ink. And that is just really cute. Yeah, it looks like a little jean jacket, jean pants, something like that. But that is cute. It has a nice little soft texture to it, so it feels nice in your hand. And again, that is valued for $4.99. All right, so we have, it says, This Is Us sticker book. I love this life. Beautiful life, 218 pieces. The back looks like that, and it says Beautiful Life sticker kit of 218 by Paper House and Shauna Klingerman, valued for $6.99. So here's a page. And that is the last page. But that is a whole lot. There's like all of the pages at a glance. That's a whole lot of stickers. And if you guys follow me, you know I love collecting stickers. And that is a really nice set. There's a lot in there. Very, very colorful. And yeah, I really like that set. Again, that's valued for $10.99. Now it says Fall Essentials Checklist. Cute boots, cozy sweater, pumpkin spice latte, crisp weather, and an amazing friend like you. Before it even said the amazing friend, I was thinking if this is a card, this would be so cute to send to my friend in California. And then it said an amazing friend like you, and I'm like, yep, that's exactly where this is going. It is all Blake on the inside, which is perfect because you can write your own message, send it whenever. And I think that is super cute because it's like fall. And I'm just going to send this to my friend like a hi, hello, how are you? And that's one thing that's kind of, and I always say is like a lost art is sending things in the mail, a postcard, a card, a handwritten letter, that kind of thing. So I'm definitely going to use this. It says Fall Essentials Greeting Card by Elam Designs, valued for $5.50. Okay, we have a few more items left in here. And this says Sustainable Journaling Journal Tool Roll. Sustainable Eco-Friendly Journaling Tool Roll by American Crafts, valued for $16.99. I'm not sure what this is. I've never heard of a journaling tool roll. So I don't know what you do with this. I'm just going to show you what it is. I don't know if you just like keep your pens and pencils in here or something. If you know how it works, There you go. You'll know how it works then. I guess you can put stuff in there. I don't know if like you can put like your pens and markers and stuff like that. And then you just roll it up. I'm not quite sure. Like I said, this is something I've never seen before, but that's what it sounds like you would do. I don't know. But there's that. A journaling rolling tool for $16.99. All right, you guys. So the last item in here is going to be the journal for this month. This looks really, really pretty with those colors. That's for sure. Which definitely matches with like this. So that is super pretty. Again, they go with the same theme. Like, so everything is matching, you know, like that. That's so cute. And then in here, you do have a lined paper. And then you have this where you can mark your spot. And on the back of this, it does say $12.99. So this says Grateful Spiral Bound Journal. It says $14.99 on here, but this has a $12.99 value on it. So I don't know how it's valued $2 higher, but it's valued on here. It says it's valued for $14.99. Grateful, Simply Blessed, unless it was a different journal that said Grateful. This one says Simply Blessed. I don't know, but this says $12.99 on the back of it, is all I'm saying. So that is everything that came in the November box. You have your journal. You have this really cute fall card. You have a sticker set. You have like a jean jacket printed pin. You have 3 different markers that are double-ended, all in like the pinky color tone. You have your washi tape. You have a hot cocoa sipping on your cup. And then you have this thing that I'm a little confused on, but there's that. All right, you guys, so let's go with the journal junk sack for November. Again, if you do want to dabble in here, but you don't want to go straight to the full box, this one might be the one for you. So you can still get amazing products, but you're not spending the full price. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get in here and we'll see what this variation will look like. And then you'll know what you would like to do if you want to order. Okay, so for this one, you do have the card that goes over the social media, but there is not a card that goes over the pricing for this one. That's only in the full size box. So you always get some kind of card like this. This one, let's see if I can read it. Dedicate yourself to the good you deserve and desire for yourself. Give yourself peace of mind. You deserve to be happy. Yes, I can actually read that one this time. So you have that. I'm not quite sure what you do with these cards, if you use them for like scrapbooking or journaling, but it does have a blank image on the back if you wanted to use that for like scrapbooking or anything like that, but it is double-sided. So now you have, oh, this is super cute. This is a 6-piece magnetic phrase clips. So like if you're reading a book or you have like a puzzle book or something like that, you can put this little magnetic thing on the top to kind of like dog ear the page, like mark the page. So one says hello, one says oh joy, never let a sweet thought go. Gratitude fills my heart, cherish each moment, and then love you. But that is so, so cute. I will definitely use these things. Well, without the plastic, this is what they look like. And let me just pull one off. So they're double-sided. The back just has this print on them. All of these look like that on the back. And so it's 2 magnets, and you just magnet on whatever page you would like. And you can dog ear where you are. And that's super cute. And you're not having like a big old bookmark or anything like that. That is so cute. I really, really like these. I really like these. Now we have is a, oh, I thought they was like color pencils, but they're ink pens. And they look like they're colored pencils. It's called Color Ink Pens. So again, there's all of those different colors and they are ink pens. There's 10 different ones. It says vibrant colors. Now we have is the book for this one. It says she believed she could, so she did. That is super, super pretty too. Like look at all those pretty colors. The back looks like that. This one here says $12.99 as well. It has the same pink that goes around. The inside is all lined and you can just use this, the same thing, wherever you would like. And there you go. So she believed she could, so she did. And then you have a sticker page. Ooh, I love this sticker set. This right here says, Thinkers, Peaceful, See the Good, Home Sweet Home, Thankful, Blessed, Congrats, peace. Today is a good day. Think happy thoughts. Oh, and then there's some on the back too. So here is the first page. Again, these are really, really pretty, and I really like those colors. Like those, I don't know, I really like those colors together. And then here's the back side. Those are super pretty though. I'm really actually digging the mini this month because I really, really like these magnets and I really like these stickers. So I'm really digging this one myself. What do you guys think? So that is everything for the Journal Junk sack. You have the ink pens. You have this card. You have these magnetic little bookmarks, which are super cute. The journal, and this sticker set. All right, you guys, so that is now everything to show you for the Journal Junk box and the Journal Junk sack for November. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in them? If you were to have gotten it, which one would you have wanted better, the full size or the sack? Let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about the Journal Junk box or the sack, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 15% off. They also have an online shop as well. So if you don't want to go straight to a subscription box, but you want to grab some products for yourself or for gift ideas are coming up, like we got Christmas coming. So if you want to do that, you can purchase through their shop without having a subscription, but everything will be linked down below. You can definitely follow it and check them out. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? You'll love this box. So again, there's the two different sizes. You can do the Journal Junk Sack Mini. We'll talk about that one first. That one, if you do monthly, it's $27.95. 6 months will bring it down to $25.95. And a 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $23.95 per month. The Journal Junk full size is $52.99 month to month. 6 months will bring that down to $47.99, and a 12-month plan will bring it down to $44.95. Shipping is in addition to both of those. Now, the last time I checked, the Journal Junk Mini is $7.95 for shipping, and the full size was $10.95 for shipping. You can also do both, so if you wanted to grab both of them for yourself or one for you and one for somebody else, you can definitely grab the bundle together. The Junk Box and Sack Bundle is $71.95 per month. You can cancel at any time. And again, they do have their online shop as well, and SheCrafty will get you that 15% off. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.